gorgeous lot in Chapel Ridge. Build your dream home on one of the highest lots in Chapel Ridge.Lot has plenty of hardwoods on just under 1/2 acre. Chapel Ridge is a planned community on over 1,000 acres of rolling hills. The community is comprised of an 18-hole championship golf course designed by JMP Golf Design and Fred Couples.Within. The natural setting are appropriate landscape common areas such as clubhouse, junior Olympic-sized pool, fitness room, sport courts, restaurant, playground, walking trail, and more.